Calisthenics builds fake muscles. Gym destroys your joints. And one of these fitness styles is apparently superior. But what if almost everyone is arguing about the wrong thing? Because the truth might surprise you. Here's why people get confused. You see a shredded calisthenics athlete doing impossible moves. Then you see a massive gym guy lifting half the building. So people think calisthenics equals aesthetics. Gym equals size. But reality? Not that simple. And one mistake makes beginners waste years. Imagine two twins. Same genetics, same diet. One trains with pull-ups. One trains with weights. Who wins? Keep watching.
Your muscles don't care if resistance comes from body weight or dumbbells. Muscles only understand tension, progressive overload, recovery. That's it. If exercises keep getting harder, your body adapts. That means more strength, more muscle, better physique. So no, push-ups are not inferior, and dumbbells are not magic. But here's where things change. Want maximum muscle size faster? Gym usually wins, because adding resistance is easier. Just add plates. Done. Want crazy body control, mobility, and skills? Calisthenics dominates. Muscle ups, front levers, human flags. Also, gym beginners often ego lift. Calisthenics beginners often do 500 bad push-ups. Congratulations, both are wrong. Your muscles don't care about your workout religion. Here's what actually works. Beginner? Mix both. Use gym for easy progression. Use calisthenics for control and athleticism. You don't need to